Mga bossing, at titignan natin itong paano nila ipapasok tong roller. This not good, my friend. Get down. Get down. Use ladder. Stair, kidire, stair. Yeah, good. Safety, no? Need follow to safety. Need follow to safety because this one is step upside. It's not good. Standing upside is good. Sure. Yes, that's good. Ayun mga bossing, at sinaway lang natin siya dahil baka mahulog siya eh. Okay, go. Where you operate? Okay. Aywa. Okay, good. Sinawel natin mga bossing kasi baka mahulog siya eh. Pag nahulog siya, kawawa naman yung maaso sa kanya, di ba? Wala kasi siyang ano tungtungan, ladder o ano. Nakatutong lang siya doon, tapos gumagana pa yung equipment na yan. Dito tayo mga bossing kay Mr. Pohan Bashir. Technology?
No technology. Information problem na.
No, okay? What happened? Downside, see? Downside lock.
Yes. Separate connection. This one. MCB.
This, who put?
Name.
Sentil?
Sandal? Yeah. For all changing. All change this one. Only emergency this side. Running.
No good.
Try na.
Why try? You need open, always open.
No.
Ayan nga mga bossing, nilagyan ng additional na breaker dito. Ano masasabi niya dito mga bossing? Di ba siyempre hindi sa safe?
This side sa connection, this side breaker.
Yes.
Good na good.
See, ako'y before this one, control troop use.
Yeah.
Now they put breaker.
Half day leave. Permission na. This side working.
Now pump running.
Impeller mafi. Okay, after impeller coming na.
Inshallah. Okay. Close. Okay, this one okay. Very good, okay.
Okay, down 3 days class na after you inform.
You call Sindin. Yala, make. What is that? Ayan mga bossing, gagawa si Mr. Pohan ng ano. This breaker. Mr. Pohan ng... What is that? For what? Sleeve?
Sleep.
Motor sleeve. Okay.
Motor sleep.
Very good. This is 2
Add motor.
Ayan mga bossing, tutornuhin. Parang pala dito yan mga bossing. This for this Ah, very good. Ganyan pala pagkabit ng mga bossing. Teknolohiya. Tatapos siya di kabit mga bossing. So ayan very good. After turning very good.
After machining.
Machining This for what?
Killenman drive coupling.
Gilman remote pulling
Coupling pin.
Oh. This MS?
Hard metal.
Hard metal This SS?
SS. This one SS.
Oh.
Killenman drive coupling pin.
Very good. This I will check.
Okay.
Rolling. No. They roll na.
Oh, running na.
Yes.
No problem. Okay, shut down after.
Oh, I shut down after I repair. I will check. But this one okay. Hindi siya naniniwala sa trabaho ng isa eh. You not believe Muskil. You not believe technology Technology problem. Tatawa siya mga bossing. Yung technology daw nung sa problem Kasi pabago sa akin Okay na nga yun Laki ng mga ginagawa dito mga bossing. Itong mga hanap to. Mga tsoklata to Diba? Ito lang yung ginagawa mga bossing. Maritin natin mga bossing kung paano itong binibilog. Kasi, very good. At then, ito
उससे पहले
4 piece? क्या ले पर month? ठीक है. बस सेफ्टी मिलेगा सेफ्टी मिलेगा सेफ्टी लाजिम bali nga pala siya ang foreman mga bossing Ayan o, binibilog ng mga bossing. Kasi Lalabay. Bossing, parang dito nga pala yan ang mga bossing, oh. Ito ginagawa nila, oh. Nakakadalaw na sila. Kailangan daw nila 4. Yan. Meron pang binibend dito mga bossing. Tignan natin. Come on. Oh, not good, my friend. It's not safe. It's not safe, my friend. Not wait.
Remove this, pipe.
Yes.
Where is the rat? Put it right. Good? Oh.
This for what?
This section line, this cement will leakage.
This for
Covering,
covering. Yes, pots. Watch up. Yun, hanggang dito lang ang video natin for today. Wala, bigat. Oh, help. Too much weight, my friend. Need help. Lazim help. Lazim help.
Out.
Need cold car. Sierra. Forklift. Yes. Jada weight. Sobrang kapal eh, oh. How are you, my friend? Where are you from? Huh?
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia. Southern Africa. Africa. Yes. Southern Africa. North. Western Africa, no? Ethiopia. How many population in Ethiopia? One, huh?
One country. Same Bangladesh, Pakistan.
Yes. What is your work? Your country is good, no?
Ethiopia?
Yeah.
Good.
That
Working in
no work, huh? No investor, huh? The 1 dirham in your money, how much currency?
This Dubai dirham? Ethiopia 14.
14. For what currency name?
Ethiopia ber.
Huh?
Ber.
Ber.
Yeah.
Ethiopia Bear. But good, but only 14. No work, but good economy.
No.
Yes, the problem only this one, no?
Yeah.
No work. Okay, what is your name?
Abdulaziz.
Huh?
Abdul Latif.
Abdul Latif, Muslim. Assalamualaikum my friend. At yan, nagpunta na muna ang video natin for today mga bossing at ang bundok. Pareho na kami ni Marcoleta ng buhok. Senator Marcoleta, pareho na kami ng buhok. At hanggang dito lang ang video natin for today. At mag-ingat tayo palagi mga bossing at magandang buhay sa lahat.